What is your response to my final order to remove your hat?
Sir, I really insist on this, and I feel really strongly spiritually about it, and it's time for me to take the consequences of that.
Hey,
You
Mr.
listening
Dozier,
to
I'm
me,
gonna,
Your Honor?
Mr. Dozier, I've asked you to mute and the judge has asked you to mute. Can you do that from your end, or do we need to do it from our end?
You can
Is
do it
Mr.
from
Richmond
his.
here?
He is here, Your Honor. He's here.
Okay, Mr. Richmond. Good morning. And it's Mr. Thede. Okay, let's see which cases we want to take care of first. Would you please? Yes, sir. Would you explain that to me? Would you explain it to me? So here's what I'm gonna do. Hold on. Mr. Thede? Correction, I'm sorry, Mr. Richmond. Mr. Richmond, I'm gonna ask you to remove your hat. If you decline, I'm gonna ask you why. If you decline, we're gonna have further discussions. Would you please remove your hat in my courtroom? Would you explain your cultural reason to me? So you're declining? I'm gonna let you talk to your attorney. And when I call your case, we'll finish this discussion. Noted. You bring the deputies in, please. All right, ladies, Mr. Richmond's two cases, 24M, 2519, 25M, 1312. Mr. Richmond, come on, join your attorney, please. Mr. Richmond, would you please remove your hat in the courtroom?
Like I said earlier, Your Honor, I'd prefer for spiritual reasons not to.
Not cultural reasons.
Cultural are spiritual reasons, are they not? Or spiritual are cultural.
Would you describe that to me further?
It's to my it's to my understanding, sir, that many people do not need to remove their hat.
I'm asking about your situation. Explain it to me.
Yes, I believe mine is similar because spiritually, I believe I lose power when I expose my head fully. So I prefer not to remove my hat because I feel like I need power in here.
Okay. I'm going to order you one more time. I do not find that persuasive. In fact, I find it manipulative. I'm going to order you one more time to remove your hat out of respect for the court as I order anybody else so as not to treat you differently. I do not find your reasons to be persuasive. I'm going to order you to do it. And I just wanted to let you know that failure to comply, I will find you in direct contempt of court. Do you understand that?
This is the turning point. The judge isn't debating the defendant's personal beliefs anymore. He's deciding whether those beliefs legally excuse ignoring a direct court order. Notice how the judge repeatedly explains the consequences before taking action. That's important because courts generally give people every opportunity to comply before finding them in direct contempt. What would you have done in this situation? Removed the hat or stood by your beliefs?
As long as you understand, you're asking me to yield my power spiritually in a literal sense. This is what you're doing. This is what you've done last time. This is what you guys always do. And, you know, I think that's really...
I don't understand your answer. I'm ordering you to remove it again with you understanding the consequences. Do you understand the consequences of failure to remove your hat?
Can you please explain them?
Yes, I will hold you in direct contempt of court, finding that after repeated warnings, you failed to comply with the court's order and that it undermines the dignity and the authority of this court. And specifically, I don't find your reason to be persuasive. Do you understand?
Not fully. So do I get to wear my hat next time? That's what I'm trying to understand.
I'm talking about this time. We'll worry about next time next time. Do you understand that if you fail to comply, I will hold you in direct contempt?
So I'm going to be held for 24 hours while it's cold out?
I have no idea what the consequences are going to be. You will be sentenced on direct contempt, and I'll allow you to make any statements you want in mitigation. I'll hear from your attorney as well, and then I'll decide. You may not go into custody at all, or you may, or there may be some other consequence.
Okay.
What is your response to my final order to remove your hat?
Sir, I really insist on this, and I feel really strongly spiritually about it, and it's time for me to take the consequences of that.
The court has found that now find that the defendant has been warned multiple times to remove his hat. He's been given sufficient notice and given a direct order, in fact, to remove his hat. He is explained, and the court finds it to be completely incredible, having even changed his explanation after talking with his attorney, explained his heartfelt, that's with air quotes, reason for not removing his hat. I find it to be incredible, manipulative, and in direct contempt of the court. I find that it undermines the authority and undermines the dignity of the court. I find that he does so intentionally. And because of that, he is in direct contempt. Regarding the sentence, and I will sentence you in a moment, but let's take care of the pretrial readiness conference piece first, and then we'll talk about the sentence. Anything else on the trials?
No, Your Honor.
All right, that leaves the contempt. Regarding contempt, Ms. Volkowski, do you want to be heard, or you want your client to be heard, or what would you like to do?
One moment, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, unfortunately, I don't have anything to add to the record.
Okay. Mr. Richmond, you're given the opportunity, and you can just stay right there to tell me anything you want before I decide on the sentence for the direct contempt. If you want to say something, you may. If you don't, that's fine too.
I don't want to say much, but I mean, all there is to say that it's like a religion to me. It's personal. It's semi-parallel to what a lot of religions and cultures believe. And if I embellish too much, then that would be, I believe, wrong.
If you embellish, mean add more to it?
Yeah, like that is part of my belief.
Okay, I got it.
And that is part of, call it spiritual, religion, cultural. I don't care what you call it.
Okay, thank you. I'm not going to call it anything. I will note that you are wearing a traditional black winter hat that shows no signs of any cultural or religious affiliation, nor have you identified any other than a personal belief that you would like to wear a hat to maintain power. Again, I don't find that to be persuasive, as I've already said. Court, again, finding the defendant to be in contempt, direct contempt of court. I'll sentence you to 1 day in the Boulder County Jail. I was considering longer, but I just need to communicate to you that you can't do this, so I don't want to keep you in jail longer. Plus, it's a snowy day, as you said. Perhaps it's not all that punitive based on what you said.
The sentence may only be 1 day in jail, but the judge is clearly focused on something bigger than punishment. He's trying to prevent this same conflict from happening again when a jury is present, where disruptions could affect the entire trial. It's also worth noting that the defendant remained respectful in tone, even while refusing to comply, which likely influenced the judge's decision not to impose a harsher sentence. Do you think 1 day was fair, or should the penalty have been more severe?
So I'll sentence you to 1 day in the Boulder County Jail. Deputies, please. My bigger concern is that we're going to have a jury on Tuesday. I would encourage you to reevaluate your position, because I do not want you to wear a hat in front of the jury and be and be in direct contempt again. I don't want that to be disruptive, because here it's just us, but that has the potential to be significantly more disruptive to the proceedings. You don't have to say anything about it at all. I just want to put you on notice that the rules remain the rules. You could talk to Ms. Bukowski about it if you want. You could say something too, but I just might be better to think about it and then talk to Ms. Bukowski. Yes. Yes, thank you.
As far as I recall.
Deputy, yes, Deputy, it's Mr. Richmond. He's going into custody.
Just wait for me, please.
He's been very cooperative with me other than the contempt piece. And so the record's clear. It's there are two different cases. It's direct contempt in both cases, and 1 day concurrent in both cases. So 1 day total.
She loved, just got it
Oh,
to Roberta.
okay.
Oh,
Looks like we have
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah,
Bama.
take care.
Mr. Dozier? Well, we'll unmute Mr. Bama.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You're my old neighbor. Sorry, Your Honor, I'm here.
Yeah. Mr. Dozier?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You need to stop talking to passerbys. They're not part of the hearing. It's distracting.
Well, you muted on your end. You guys could do it last time.
Hey,
You can't
Mr.
do it this
Dozier, I
time?
am Mr. Dozier. I've allowed you,
You have-
we're gonna go
Your
on
Honor,
record.
do you have your gown on?
We're going on
Are
the
you wearing
record.
your gown? Are you wearing your gown right now?
Hey,
Okay, so we are now on the record. No,
You are-
I'm not.
Yeah, with the gold Prince flag in the courtroom, right?
hey,
You
Mr.
listening
Dozier,
to
I'm
me,
gonna,
Your Honor?
Mr. Dozier, I've asked you to mute and the judge has asked you to mute. Can you do that from your end
Okay,
or do we need to do it from our end?
He can do it from his. He's got the fucking computer right in front of him.
Corey.
Okay, Miss Farr. I'm not on the record yet. We're gonna deal with this. This is not appropriate. So we are now on the record of the Montrose County Court, Associate Court. The case is 25M27. We have Mr. Dozier appearing by WebEx. He was given prior permission to appear by WebEx. Counsel also appears by WebEx. Before we get started, and just prior to me going online, I'm going to address some behavior from Mr. Dozier. Mr. Dozier, allowing you to appear, and for the record, I've muted him right now because as I tried to address him, he spoke over me and was speaking inappropriately. So I'm going to make a record here. Mr. Dozier, you're being allowed to appear by WebEx, not by right to appear by WebEx, but because I agreed to after one of your attorneys asked, based on the nature of this hearing. When you do so, your behavior on WebEx needs to be just as appropriate as it is in the courtroom. And what you were asked to do is to stop talking to.
And now the atmosphere changes completely. Unlike the first defendant, who stayed relatively calm despite disagreeing with the judge, this next case is already showing signs of escalating before the hearing even begins. Interrupting the court, refusing basic courtroom decorum, and talking over the judge almost never ends well. If this is how the hearing starts, imagine where it's about to go. Stay with us, because the next courtroom confrontation quickly spirals into one of the most explosive exchanges in the entire video.
First. Mr. Dozier, come in here and you need to be quiet.
You know what today is? It's the 25th anniversary, Your Honor.
Mr. Dozier,
Mr. Dozier, I'm advising you to exercise your right to remain silent.
Anniversary. Unless you outrank me, you don't tell me to shut up today. Do you hear me?
and Mr. Dozier, you need to be quiet and listen.
I'll be quiet.
If you have outbursts like that again, you can be held in contempt.
If he touches me like
Mr.
that again,
Dozier,
I'm gonna let the fucking hair out. You hear me?
do you hear me?
Yeah. We're on the same page.
This behavior,
Right, is accurate, and it's gonna fucking happen if shit don't change real soon. I'm gonna write down a list of things you're not allowed to do in my town no more.
Mr. Dozier,
okay, Mrs. Farr, I'm gonna address him.
You're gonna address me?
You may
You ain't gonna
not.
address nothing on me, motherfucker.
Okay.
You've got me undressed enough, haven't you? Every time I go to jail, I gotta undress.
Mr. Dozier,
know what the
I'm
fuck
advising
I'm
you to
about?
exercise your right to remain
You know what I've
silent.
been through in my life.
Okay.
Do you know what you do every time you put fucking handcuffs on me? You do that! I like you!
You need to be quiet.
Stop doing that to me then!
You need to be quiet.
All right, because I can fucking go all the fucking way.
You
Both
need
of
to be-
these fat motherfuckers, I'll let the hair out of them right here with my fist.
You,
I'm not threatening.
you are.
I'm just telling you.
You are being.
I know what I can do, and I know it's
Mr.
been no
Dozier.
limit. So do something about the law and leave me the fuck alone.
Your behavior is inappropriate.
Oh, to who?
To this,
Americans? I don't think
to
so.
this court.
Why are you
So-
un-American? You're not a fucking American. I have every right to express myself. I got the freedom of speech. I got the right to
Mr. Dozier,
You don't have the right to address the
I
court
got the right to not.
in the way that you are addressing the court right
All
now.
right, well, I can do it the proper way if you quit playing games with me. Stop playing
Mr.
silly
Dozier.
games. You guys want to get for real? Let's go to the Ninth Circuit Court. Oh, you can't go there. We bind over, you're done. Let's keep in your courtroom then. Yeah, we're going to Congress
Okay.
with all these cases that you're involved in. So I hope your bases are covered, motherfucker. You're getting audited. You're getting held accountable.
Mr. Dozier,
You're done. All right, I'm done. You can
no,
talk.
No, I'm gonna talk.
No, I'm done. You can talk now.
Because this behavior
It's fine.
is inappropriate.
There ain't nothing wrong with it.
It's
Have you
contemptuous.
been to military court?
It's
Have you
contemptuous.
fought in a war? Have you been tortured,
It
abused,
is-
captured, kidnapped?
It
Have
does-
any of that shit happened to
It
you?
does
Then
not
what the
need to
fuck are you doing up there? Judging.
It does not
Yeah, don't apply.
require
Yeah, fuck you.
a prior warning.
Yeah, well, next time I
You've
warn you,
now
listen.
told
I
this
ain't gonna warn
court,
you again.
fuck you,
Right, there you go.
called me a motherfucker.
Let it out.
Okay,
Yeah, you goddamn rights I did.
that is,
Keep putting handcuffs on me, motherfucker. You might as well, you want me to bend over the table for you?
Okay.
Yeah, that ain't
I'm
appropriate
holding-
either, but that's what it does.
I'm holding you in contempt.
At this point, the hearing has completely shifted away from the original case. The judge is now dealing solely with the defendant's conduct inside the courtroom. Repeated interruptions, profanity, personal insults, and refusing to follow direct instructions can each support additional contempt findings. Notice how the judge stays focused on the defendant's behavior rather than responding emotionally to the insults. Do you think the judge showed enough patience, or would you have ended the hearing much sooner?
You're gonna hold me in contempt for how long? We're gonna get this in writing, mother.
See,
We're gonna hold in contempt because he's a bad boy? No, I'm gonna walk it off. That's what I'm gonna do.
so
I'm gonna
I
walk it
am
off.
finding this is direct contempt.
Oh, yeah.
Your
really.
behavior is offensive to the dignity of this
Yeah.
court.
You and these.
Does not require the court to give you any sort of warnings, although the court did give you.
Oh, yeah,
warnings.
you're gonna hide behind the
So
law?
at this point,
Check this out, mother.
you're in contempt.
Yeah, and you're
Now,
in contempt too. You'll be in the same
you
cell
have
with me, you punk. You
the
don't know what
right-
you're fucking with.
You have the right
You're going
to
with me.
make a
Yeah,
statement
we'll see you, mother.
in mitigation if you would
I'll be
like.
eating your donuts.
Okay.
Let's go to
would you
jail.
like-
Let's go to jail, homeboy.
Would you like?
Yeah,
make a
I'd love to
statement
go
in
to the same
mitigation?
cell with you for a minute. If you want to have a cup of coffee and figure out the meaning of life civilly. But not in here and not with chains on.
Judge, I apologize for interrupting. I would just ask the court to advise Mr. Dozier that while we cannot represent him, I believe he has the right to a civil attorney for a contempt proceeding.
Not for direct contempt. I can summarily sentence him for the contempt of the court. And this behavior, the manner in which you've addressed the court,
Yeah,
the
needed
language
to
you've
happen.
used, the fact that you have spoken over the court, all of it
Yeah,
is
I'll do it
offensive to
again.
the dignity of the court. Not me, but the court.
Right.
So you're held in contempt. Do you want to say anything in mitigation?
Say that one more time. Contempt for
Before-
what?
Before I set
Contempt for what?
For
Word
the
it right,
manner in
word it
which-
right, mother. You ain't gonna have another chance at this. I'm going all the way.
Okay.
Contempt for what?
For the manner in which you've addressed.
For the manner of which I address, can you just print that out on court minutes for
I'm
me?
addressing
Give
it
me a
right
copy.
now.
Okay, for the manner in which you hurt my field beds.
Okay.
Oh, get the in your chambers. This case is done.
Okay,
Let's go, boys.
okay.
I'm over you.
At this
Off.
point, I'm gonna sentence
You.
I'm gonna sentence you
Oh, yeah, let's
to
go.
contempt.
I'll do it. Not you. Don't touch.
Nope, hold on.
Don't fucking touch me.
I haven't issued the sanction.
His weird hands ain't touching my wrist.
Okay. 10 days in jail
For what?
for contempt.
Then what's gonna happen to my dog, you weasel?
If you want to keep on doing it, I can hold you in contempt again.
You ain't doing
And the
shit.
sanction
I'm gonna put a lien
can,
on your house. I'm gonna put a lien on your wife. What you're doing is wrong.
okay,
Off.
I'm gonna find that that's contemptuous
Yeah,
as
you're gonna
well.
put a veteran's grandson in jail on the 250. Yeah, fuck you, you're an American bipartisan son of a bitch. Did you vote for Trump? You fucking puke. Get the fuck out of my town.
Okay,
Get the fuck out. My town.
this entire,
Americans, Mustangs, Donald Trump. You don't like it, leave.
this entire
You too, motherfucker.
burst
I don't know where side he's on.
is also contemptuous. Would
Yeah.
you like to
You don't
make a
like it, get
statement
the
in
fuck out.
mitigation?
Nah, we want to put me in a holding cell? You want to shoot me with some beanbags? It's been done. Let's go, bitch ass. Come on. What are you gonna do to me? Nothing.
The
You're gonna
sanction-
do something to you for a change.
The
Hold
sanction-
yourself accountable.
The sanction,
You greedy puke.
It-
Yeah, you're getting audited. Your money better be in the right places. I'm buying this town someday, and you're the first motherfucker I'm firing. Let's go.
nope, there's another sentence
There's
for that
another
additional
sentence.
contempt.
Go off.
So
Call Donald Trump and fuck off.
20
Eat it
additional
there.
days. It's a total of 30 days
Off.
on contempt.
Off.
I
You
will,
ain't getting the last word, you stupid sucker. I don't care.
so
You're wrong this time.
At this-
Shut the f- up.
you have to
Get the f- out of my courtroom, you fucking coward.
Okay, so he is now no longer in the courtroom. I will also tell you, Ms. Farr, apparently, I was told by security that earlier today, he came and deposited some sort of animal feces in the tray that security uses for people's articles when they come into the courthouse. I had intended to warn them about that as well. I have ordered a contempt, two contempt findings. I frankly could have gone more. So at 30 days at this point, based on that behavior, which is offensive to the dignity of the court. How would you like to proceed on this today? He's no longer present. I can set this on the 24th.
This video highlights two very different examples of courtroom contempt. One defendant calmly refused to obey a direct order because of his claimed spiritual beliefs and received 1 day in jail. The other repeatedly interrupted the court, used abusive language, and continued escalating until his contempt sentence reached 30 days. The message from both judges was clear: respecting courtroom rules is not optional. If you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown, don't forget to like the video, share your opinion in the comments, and subscribe for more fascinating courtroom stories and legal analysis.